What a beautiful performance from South Africa in that first half. There was a lot of fluid attack I saw, especially in transition. Whenever Korea Republic lost the ball, South Africa recovered very well. They managed to take advantage of the spaces that the midfielders were leaving at Korea. They managed to use a lot of turnover balls and transition into a three-man press or by Azonapolis, Rele Mofokeng, as well as Evidence Mahopa. We see Hugo Bruce taking advantage of that chemistry that comes from the front line of Orlando Pirates. You also saw a very strong defensive play from like the likes of Okon and Umbogazi in the center. Ronan Williams has been quiet throughout the match. That's mainly because the balls that also Korea Republic has been getting have been dealt with comfortably by the back line. And also, man, thanks very much to Kuliso Mutau on the other side for keeping that very problematic winger at bay. He has made him very quiet throughout the match, and hopefully they continue this momentum in the second half. But guys, we are playing for a win here. We are not playing for a draw. So please, Tapelo Masego, please be more clinical. You are getting chances. You are creating very well, but please be more clinical. And please, guys, utalent Mbata, you must be a bit more brave when you go out there, Pambili. And we are seeing that you guys are playing a very nice style of football. Hopefully, we make it to the next round. My hopes have increased. My hopes have increased, especially because of the way you guys have been playing this first half, and hopefully you gain momentum in the first 25 minutes of the second half. Wish you all the best, guys. Wish you all the best. I can feel it. I can feel it. We can make it out of the group stages. I can feel it. But it depends on how hungry you are. Please, please, guys. Please, guys. We as the fans are behind you. Please show that hunger on the pitch. Sharp.